So with my coin slide, I'm comparing silver bullion, genuine silver bullion, to something that looks like silver but it's not and does not have any magnetic properties at all. So something that does not have any magnetic properties, it'll slide down quickly and when I use silver bullion, it'll slide down slowly. This is a wood railing from a bunk bed, and I cut some pieces off of it. I also have some scrap weld steel. This is what I have so far. I tacked the sides together with glue, and I'll secure it with screws later. This is the 2 by 10 inch strip of weld steel, and I GB welded about 12 neodymium magnets to it. Now these magnets are about 2 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch. I purchased the magnets on Amazon. They were about $8 to $10, and you get about maybe like 24 of them. I also purchased a 2-inch hinge from Ace Hardware. So this is my finished homemade silver coin slide. It's not as nice as the CCT slides that you see out there. I did not have felt, so I used a thin piece of vinyl just to cover the magnets. I have a silver eagle here. This is a genuine silver eagle. So it does operate properly, and so this coin slide will demonstrate 3 types of magnetism. The first one is ferromagnetism, then diamagnetism, and paramagnetism. Ferromagnetism is when material can become magnetized, and it's the most common type of magnetism that you can demonstrate. I have a coin here made of iron or steel, and it will stick to a magnet. This is ferromagnetism, and if I were to put this on a slide, it'll just stick to the magnet and will not slide down. So if you encounter a coin that just sticks to the slide and does not slide down, it is not considered silver bullion. If you look at silver, silver is diamagnetic, and silver, when exposed to a magnetic field from the magnets, it will induce a magnetic field in the silver that is opposed to the original magnetic field from the magnets. I have an aluminum coin here. This will demonstrate paramagnetism. This is when a material such as aluminum is exposed to a magnetic field from a magnet. It will induce a magnetic field in the aluminum that attracts the material to the original magnetic field from the magnet. So this will give you the same type of result as a diamagnetic material such as silver. I also have a Morgan dollar, which is 90% silver. It'll give you the same effect, maybe a little faster. I also have a Maui dollar. This is not silver. It is actually made of copper nickel, which is an alloy of 75% copper and 25% nickel. And you would think that if it has 75% copper, it will be diamagnetic, but copper nickel, its alloy, does not appear to have any diamagnetic properties. So it slides down, not demonstrating any type of magnetism, even though this thing is 75% copper, but it's an alloy. And one interesting thing about it is, even though it only has 25% nickel, it has a silver-like appearance. You would think that 75% copper will give it a copper appearance. So to me, that's one mysterious thing about cupronickel. So if you have a coin slide and you take a look at some of the common coins, United States coins, the Ike dollar, Washington quarter, Kennedy half dollar, and even the Susan B. Anthony dollar, all of these have copper in it, which does give it diamagnetic properties. Here's the John F. Kennedy half, Susan B. Anthony dollar, Washington quarter, and the Ike dollar. I also have a Abraham Lincoln token or coin. It will slide down slowly. I also have a piece of neodymium magnet, and so the magnet sticks to this coin. So it does have iron in here, so it's probably a good idea to use a small magnet. Check your coin. If it sticks to it, you know it's not actually 100% silver, even though it does give you the appearance of being diamagnetic. So if you have several coins and you're using your coin slide to see if it's actual real silver, I know that these two do not claim to be silver. This one claims to be silver. It looks like a silver eagle, and it slides down like a silver coin should. But if you look at these do not claim to be silver, but they also slide down and have an appearance like silver. So the coin slide will give you an indication, a small indication of what the coin could be, but if it doesn't claim to be silver, it's not silver, of course. This one looks like a silver eagle. It slides down like a silver eagle, but you should also use a scale to measure the weight, and maybe a caliper to measure the diameter and the thickness. And so that's how I use my coin slide. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.